On this episode of AC Designs Garage, we're going to light the candles on this 1968 Pro Touring Camaro. Coming up. Alright guys, going to give you a little overview on the engine before we get fired up, get into all this stuff. But it's a 383 stroker small block Chevrolet. The owner said, I think it's some kind of late model stock crate type engine. It's in the range from 450 to 500 horsepower, I think it is. It's a full roller motor. It's a hydraulic roller cam and rocker arms. We got a vintage air. We installed this vintage air serpentine drive system. Really nice. Everything's compacted. Pulls everything, the AC compressor and all this stuff real tight in there. It's got a trick, and I can't remember who built these headers, but trick set of long tube headers on it, aluminum heads, HEI distributor. It's got a pretty impressive, I think it's a Champion. Yeah, Champion 3-row aluminum radiator. We fabricated this electric fan shroud kit. It's got two 10-inch Spall electric fans on it. We polished it, and it's all aluminum, made out of 50 thousandths aluminum. Broke it and tigged it. Let's see. As you can see on here, I've went over this for another video. It's full Detroit speed front subframe, rear quadrillink setup. It's been built as a Pro Touring car. We've already flush fitted the glass. You can see here this is going to be the color of it. Car's got a 5-speed. It's got a 9-inch, a narrowed up 9-inch rear end, mini tubs, the whole 9 yards on that. Yeah, we fixing to get this thing fired up. I just wanted to go over and show you guys what it was all about. I don't know, I can't remember all the details on it. In a future video, I may add up. The owner's supposed to send me the spec sheet on the engine, but we're gonna see how she sounds and fires up. Hope you guys enjoy this video. You ready to fire, Jim?
Damn, you're right, I'm ready to fire this thing.
She's gonna make some racket, ain't it?
We're gonna tune her. She's gonna be loud.
All my bones are dislocated.
Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video on Jim's 1968 Camaro. We're going to jump right into the paint and body next. There'll be a lot of videos and stuff on it. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. God bless. We gone.